1.5a. First what I'd like you to do is make this graph go out to 2, out to -2, up to 4. What we're going to do is graph f of x equals x squared. So we're going to let f of x equal x squared. All right. So if we graph this, we put a 0 here, we get 0. We put a 1 in here, we get 1. We put a 2 in here, we get 4. Same with the other way. If we put a 1 in here, we get, we put a -1 in there, we get 1. If we put a -2 in there, we get a +4. Okay, and then this is a parabola. Okay. All right, we're going to do two things here. Let's say we wanted to find the slope of the tangent line right here. So let's say we have a tangent line and we want to know what f prime of 1 is. And f prime of 1 is the slope of the tangent line that goes through this point 1, 1. Okay, we're going to do it two ways. First way is the long way, and then we're going to show you a quicker way. Okay? So, the first question would be find f prime of x using the difference quotient. Find f prime of x using the difference quotient. Okay, well, we know the difference quotient is limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, now in our situation, we're going to write limit again. H approaches 0. We're going to put this x plus h into the x squared. X plus h squared minus f of x, which is x squared, all over h. Okay, so let's continue. F prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0. And now we're going to go ahead and FOIL that. So we're going to write out the numerator, which is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared over h. And then we're going to cancel out the zeros, not the zeros, sorry, the x squares. Cancel out our x squares, factor out our h on top. We've seen this before, so I'm going through it a little faster than normal. Okay. Factor out our h, and we're left with the limit as 2x plus h as h approaches 0, and the answer is 2x. Well, how does that help us? Well, what we did was we solved f prime of x equals 2x. So to answer our question, what is the slope? What is f prime of 1? We would just put it right into our equation 2x, which is 2 times 1, which is just 2. So that means the slope of this line is 2. Okay, let me show you a faster way to do this. It's an actual shorter way, and it's actually kind of fun.